Hello, doctor and parents. This is Vishnu Kansing. Welcome to in Admission Media. Today we're going to discuss about the next webinar. Yes, the webinar which was conducted today. Since the noon it was conducted, we have already uploaded the main highlights of the webinar, and the main highlight or the PPT of webinar has also been shared in our Telegram channel as well as our our Instagram platform. So if you haven't joined it and followed it, do follow Admission Media on Admission Media on Instagram as well as our Telegram channel Admission Media for your latest updates regarding NEET PG23 counseling. As well as in this video, I will be discussing about the major points about the next examination, what are the new changes which has been discussed in this webinar, as well as the main most important question is in PG23 whether it will be NEET next, NEET PG only or next only, or both at the same time. Before that, if you're new on this channel and haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do subscribe it, as well as you can join our WhatsApp platform and everything, as the link is in description. As well as if you're looking for a low budget management seat or NRI seat, you can contact me us on the given number below, that is 9545955519, as well as you can connect me on the WhatsApp for the same thing. Now if I talk about the big changes in this next examination, first big change is that there is no supplementary exam will be had. Yes, in the webinar they haven't mentioned anything about the supplementary. Even the video which we have uploaded, in which they have mentioned there won't be any supplementary exam from now onwards. Now next will be in two part, next one and next two. Next one will be happening after every 6 month of gap. It will be around November, and the second will be around June to July itself. Means every year we will be having two next one exam, as well as next two exam is again the same, that will be your just Viva part and everything which they have already mentioned, the PPT is shared. Next one is objective exam. It will be consisting of total 6 paper that will be happening at the 3 days. Means one day you will be having a 2 question paper, then there will be a gap, and again there will be two paper, again a gap, and again 2 papers. So total on 3 days you have to give 6 papers. No supplementary exam. If you in a case failed, that's not be cleared yet. If you fail in particular one subject or the whole, in the again there won't be any supplementary. So in the next one again after the 6 month of batch, you will be giving again all the 6 papers or only one paper, that is not clear. But if they are mentioning that there won't be any supplementary, simply it means you will be giving again the total 6 papers. It's not confirmed. The contradictory part is there is. Second point, if I talk about whether it will be NEET PG or next, as they have already cleared in the webinar, the clear notification is nothing there that it will be NEET PG or next, but a reliability is there in which they have mentioned on the video which I have uploaded on our YouTube channel. On the, if you look at the video on the 13th of minute, they have said NEET PG and next will be simultaneously till they found the gap is equivalence, which simply means batches before 2019, if you belong to a batch of 2019, you will be giving next, that is compulsory. But if you are earlier batches or have already cleared your degree and internship, then you will be giving NEET PG. Yes, you will be giving NEET PG, and next one will be only for the 2019 and the ongoing batches after 2019. Before batches will be giving NEET PG till they find the gap is equivalence and 1 year gap is equivalent, then the NEET will be completed over and only next will be there. Next one will be for everyone, and after that, it will be happening only when they will find that the gap is already equivalent or 1 year gap is there. But most probably chances are there in PG 2024, it will be NEET as well as next for 2019 batches. Earlier batches, maximum probability is there that they will be giving NEET PG. So what the effect will be on your counseling, let me tell you, possibilities are there. Now if this is happening in real, if NEET PG is happening in the real, believe me, in some branches, the positive shift for the government colleges can be seen from 1,000, 2,000 to the 10,000 also. Yes, up to 10,000 positive shift can be given or can be shown in your NEET PG23 counseling. So be ready for that. And if you're looking for a paid counseling guidance, or if you're looking for a government colleges seated as even at the lower budgets or the lower rank is yours, and you're looking for a paid counseling guidance or a management seat or NRI seat, at lower budget itself, then you can contact me on the given number below. But whatever I said, it's not confirmed yet. Possibilities are there, as they have already cleared in the video, because in throughout their webinar they haven't mentioned anything particularly about the FMG exam, the supply exam, which I have already mentioned you. Third, whether it will be NEET PG or next, but they have given an idea about these 3 points, that NEET FMG will be vanished out, December session won't be happening, it will be next only. Second, PG they have already cleared that if till the gap is equivalent or the 1 year gap is shown, there will be NEET PG and next at the same time. Third, there is no supply exam, only next one will be given after each 6 months of the gap. So this is it in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other query or any question, you can contact me on down the given number below. Thank you.